Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect or pair your Sony earbuds to your phone. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the first thing first is that Sony earbuds wf-c500 are one of the Sony's best earbuds. Okay, how you can pair them is not like any other normal earbuds, and where basically you go onto Bluetooth and you connect it. But you need a specific application for it. What is this application? It's called Sony Headphones. You can download it from Play Store. If you go into Play Store and we search for Sony Headphones Connect, okay, you're going to find something called Sony Headphones Connect. This is the application that you need, okay? After you download it, you're going to launch up the Sony Headphones app, and then you're going to click on plus. Okay, now it's going to ask for you to open the location and the Bluetooth. Okay, after you open both, you're going to open the case of the wf-c500 and remove both earbuds and keep them outside. Okay, after that, you're going to keep holding both the power buttons on the C500s until it detects until it says Bluetooth mode. Okay, if I keep clicking on them both for around 5 seconds, you need both out of the case, and keep clicking on them until it says Bluetooth mode, and you are going to find them over here. You're going to click on tap to register, and then you've successfully paired your headphones. It's going to start connect to the headphones, and then you're going to do, yep, as you can see, allow headphones to access your wf-c500. You're going to click allow. Okay, and after that it is going to start to connect. I'm going to click on pair, and you've successfully paired the Sony wf-c500s. You're going to rename them. You're going to sign into the a lot of, like, you're going to set it up, and then after that, when you set it up, as you can see, I'm successfully in, and I can see the headphones over here. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.